Let's start off with a little watercolor pencil. Kind of through here, making some marks. I'm working on the Canson cold pressed paper today. I'm just gonna make some marks. I'm gonna come in with a little bit of wax resist through here. I want to play a little bit more with transparency today and watercolor. Let's see what we get. I'm gonna start off with a little bit of the haze brown from the Schmincke Haze set. Just through here. I'm gonna mix up a little bit of that with this turquoise color here. Let's see what we get. Maybe a cool color, maybe. It's kind of fun. Okay, so let's put some of those marks through here. I think I need a bigger brush. Always a bigger brush. And I'm going to come in with my knife. I've really been liking this color lately. This sort of gray, blue color. Excuse my voice today. I have a bit of a cold, I think. Something weird's going on. I like what's going on there. I want to add a bit of the Payne's Gray through here. This is the Peach Stone Black from Schmincke. I'm feeling a little gray today, guys. I think it's because I think I want to do some swipes. Where's my cardboard? Let's pull this down a little bit. Swipe it through. That's making some fun marks. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry. So I mixed up a little bit of the Derwent Port color, the Graffy Tint color. I don't think I've used the aquapasto with the Graffy Tint, so this will be kind of fun. I just kind of want it to come through here, I think, a little bit. No, maybe this way. Ooh, that's fun. Okay, what else are we gonna do there? We need to do something. Maybe try... I like those colors together. And this is my Catalyst Wedge tool. So make some marks back through there. Kind of play with this idea of pull it down. I think I need, let's try it with the color shaper. Okay, let's pull this down a little bit. Make some marks through there. Do it like that. I'm going to come in with a little bit more of that haze brown color. Just through here a little bit. Kind of bring it through. I'm kind of liking these marks. Need a, let's put some texture through here. I added a bit more aquapasto down here. Ooh, that's fun. We'll scrape back in. Maybe not that textured. I I do like that. Yeah, then I'm gonna let this dry and then we'll see where we go from there. But it's still drying. I'm gonna come in with this a little bit of Payne's Gray through here. Kind of make this more distinct. Kind of want it to come up a little bit there. And also let's come in with a knife again. See if we can't make that a little more striking with some marks through there. Kind of screwed it up there. Let me fix that. I'm gonna add a little bit more of that brown through here. Now that this is dry. I feel like I still want it to be a little darker. Let's come in with a little bit of that peach stone. Let's see if we can't make that bolder. Just a little more contrast, I think. I like that. I'm gonna come in and make a line going through here. Just to kind of bring it back up here to the top. Maybe make that make more sense up there. And I think we need a line coming down through here a little bit. Maybe coming up through here. Yeah. Okay, I want to draw some lines through here. This is the Pitt oil-based pencil. Make some really good black marks. Not like our normal lines, but I kind of just want some areas of, I don't know, shapes that are different and not painted. I was gonna do collage, but I think this is gonna work better. Just right through there to kind of mimic what we've got going on up here a little bit. Maybe I'm just gonna put a line through there. I like a bit of drawing. I think I also want to come through here with some lines. Just to make a texture through here. And almost make like another shape out of the space. I think I want to add some up here as well. Just to make another shape. So we're kind of moving with these line shapes, these textured, I don't know what you call them, shapes. I think I want this one to be a bit darker, but then kind of come into this sort of raggedy kind of edge. Yeah, I like that. Okay. I think what I want to do now is just add in some light marks just through here. Nothing crazy. Just to kind of fill in, not fill in, that's the wrong word. I just kind of wanted some swoopy lines through there. some going across. Let me put some down here. I like those lines. Those are fun. I think those add something. Okay. I just want to add just a little bit of that brown color through there. I didn't really like that shape. What's going on there? I think it might be done. I'm liking it. Maybe I should stop. Okay, here it is with the matte. I like it. I like how sketchy it is with a little bit of watercolor thrown on top or underneath. I really like these sort of sketchy marks that I made through here. I think that's doing something for me. I like the aquapasto with the port color, and I really like these colors up here. I'm really liking how simple it is. Using these colors, I kind of started thinking about my dark Kuretake set that I think I might have to pull out tomorrow or the next time I make a video, because these colors are they're very similar to that set. So maybe we'll do a watercolor with that set next and see what we get. Pretty easy, simple, basic, I guess, piece today. Trying not to get sucked into winter doldrums, but I don't know that it's gonna work. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click over here to see the last video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much. Have a good day.